So before we get into this vlog, I have to apologize to you guys. The videos you're about to see were not taken by a professional, and I apologize from that. It's quite far from a professional. My mother is not very good at taking videos, and the windscreen that I had to put on my microphone to prevent all the wind noise got in a few of the shots. So I apologize, it's not my best camera work in the vlogs, but I haven't done this for a while, so please bear with me, and please don't judge me too much. But here we go. Let's get in the vlog. Just remember to try to ignore the bad camera skills. Alright, yeah, let's just move on to the vlog. Well, since it's nights out today, and it's Memorial Day weekend, we are about to go on a fishing trip with the Armstrong family. So, we're all loaded up in the van and waiting for Gunnar and Al to get back from dropping off some flowers at the cemetery. And my mom sucks at videoing because you keep moving. We have a winner in the fishing contest. Bo got the first fish. He is the official masturbator.
Yeah.
Good job, Bo.
So proud of you. You're a better fisherman than Gunnar.
Gunnar, how you feeling about this fishing?
Why haven't you caught anything?
I'm working on it.
So we've been sitting here for a while. All us non-fishers are sitting up in the parking lot watching the three fishermen fish. I know Bo's got a few. I don't know if Kev's got any. And Gunnar definitely hasn't got any. He says he's about to give up, so we'll see if he catches some. I don't know how much longer we're gonna give him because we're getting hungry. We need some pizza. I don't know if you can see him down there. The three fishermen all in blue. Gunnar finally got his first fish.
Show us your fish, Gunnar.
Oh,
He's got it in his hand.
Woo!
first fish.
Kevin acts like he's reeling in.
Hands on, double up the bay.
Woo!
Take a bite out of it like a real fisherman. Like they do on.
Hey, Bo.
Come on, Bobo. 3 for 3.
Bo, what happened?
That's what his cats, they bite.
I only got 4.
Slowing down. We just killed some pizza and it was absolutely delicious. And now I think we're loading up to go do some more fishing and chilling. Well, we moved to our new fishing spot. Bo already got one, and Gunnar still hasn't got another one, so he's had bad luck today. Let's see if he can catch another one. Gunnar.
What?
Are you gonna catch another one?
No.
Well, we made it home for fishing, and we're all pretty exhausted, except for Maverick. He's been cooped up in the house all day with no one to play with, so he's got a lot of energy. He's out there playing in the lawn, and my chair's acting up. Can you turn my chair off? My chair's been stupid lately, so can't wait to get that fixed. Turn me back on. Maverick!
You just took me out.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you guys had a great Memorial weekend. It was pretty good for me. We went fishing Saturday, and that was a lot of fun. It was nice to get out of the house and get some sunshine for once, because we're not really used to that, and we all kind of needed that this time. So that was really good, but Memorial Day, it didn't really seem like Memorial Day because can't really go out and do anything, and the weather was kind of crappy. So Memorial Day was not the greatest itself, but my weekend was pretty good, and I hope you guys had a great weekend too. Just remember to stay positive, and you can get through anything. And as always, keep rolling. Peace.